Hello students, as you know about Socrates in my previous video, today I will teach you chapter 4 Socrates. Socrates means Socrates. Socrates went round the town on foot and talked to the people. Once again, I will teach you this paragraph. Socrates went round the town on foot and talked to the people. The Athenians began to look for his familiar figure in the streets and to say to their friends, yes, that is Socrates. Socrates was very famous in Athens. Then every people of Athens said about Socrates that yes, that is Socrates. Come along and talk to him. आओ उससे बातचीत करें. After some time, Socrates became famous as a teacher. After some time, Socrates became famous as a teacher. He wandered along the roads and stood in the marketplaces. Socrates wandered along the road and marketplaces, talking to anyone who cared to greet him. Socrates wanted to talk to a person who greet him. His listeners were often confused after they had argued with him or answered his questions. His listeners were often confused when he answered his questions. Socrates told his countrymen that everyone must learn to think for himself, so that by using his reason he would have the power to see what was right, just, true and beautiful, and so shape his own conduct. Socrates wanted to show that what was right, just and true, and he talked with the people and said that every person has been observed that things in his own conduct. He wanted Athens to be a perfect state. Socrates wanted Athens to be a perfect state. Socrates Athens की perfect state बनाना चाहता था, पूर्ण राज्य बनाना चाहता था. He told everyone, both his people and his other followers. Socrates told every people, both his people and other followers, that this could only happen if every citizen educated his own mind to see what was right and noble. If every people see that what was right and noble, then we can make Athens a perfect state. He believed that questioning and discussing would help them do this, and so he was forever talking to them in the open streets. Socrates thought that if we will discuss with each other, then we can develop our country. So he talked with people in the open street. When Socrates was an old man, his fame had spread far and wide. When Socrates was an old man, then his fame had spread far and wide. The house of many a rich man opened its doors to him, and many rich persons opened its doors to the Socrates. For people felt honored to have him as their guest. The people felt honored if Socrates was their guest. By degrees, a special group of people gathered around him and followed him wherever he went. Wherever he went, a group of people followed Socrates. Among them was a young man called Plato who treasured every word which his master uttered. Uttered means bolna, said. And in later years became famous as a teacher as Socrates himself. In later years, Socrates was famous as a teacher Plato was famous as a teacher as his master Socrates. But although many people loved the old man and delighted in his wisdom, there were some who did not approve of him. He taught them that man's own mind influenced his conduct more than the gods. But although many people loved the old man and delighted in his wisdom, Socrates, many people loved Socrates and his wisdom. There were some who did not approve of him. So, some people who did not agree with Socrates. He taught that man's own mind influences his conduct more than the gods. Socrates taught to the peoples of Athens that man's own mind influenced his conduct more than the gods. This seemed to some people a new and wicked idea. He said that there were higher and nobler deeds than making sacrifices to Athene and the other gods of Greece, and many people thought that he was leading the young astray, questioning all that they had been taught to believe and filling their minds with doubt. He said that there were higher. This seemed to some people a new and wicked idea. Socrates talked to people with the country, with their country, and he wanted to make Athens a perfect state. But some wicked people do not follow Socrates, and they saw that Socrates was misleading the young astray. कुछ लोगों को ये बात नहीं समझ में आई और इस तरह से वो सोच रहे थे कि लोगों के मस्तिष्क को बिलीव एंड फिलिंग देयर माइंड्स विद डाउट। सुकरात उनके मस्तिष्क को डाउट से भर रहा है, संदेहों से भर रहा है कि गॉड को, ग्रीस की जो देवी है उसको बलिदान देने की अपेक्षा और भी बहुत सारे नोबल वर्क हैं। तो लोग सोचते थे कि इस तरह से सुकरात नवयुवकों को भटका रहा है। The men who were governing Athens summoned Socrates to appear before them and to stand his trial. The men who was governing in Socrates summoned Socrates and to stand his trial, और मुकदमा उसके ऊपर चलाना शुरू किया। His trial means मुकदमा चलाना। His friends begged him to escape or to hide until the storm had blown over, and Socrates' friend said that him to escape or to hide until the storm had blown over. जब तक ये तूफान समाप्त नहीं होता तुम कहीं छिप जाओ या चले जाओ। But Socrates was no coward. Socrates was no coward. He knew that he had done nothing wrong and that he had only taught what he believed to be just, true, and honorable, and so he went to the court. Socrates thought that he was not wrong. He was not wrong, and he said only thing that was right, true, just, and honorable. So he went to court. His clothes and shoes were dusty and travel stained. His clothes and shoes were dusty because he traveled long distance. But everyone knew that a noble heart beat under the shabby garments. But every people of Athens know that a noble heart beat under the shabby garments. इस गंदे कपड़े में एक श्रेष्ठ हृदय धड़क रहा है। He made a powerful and dignified speech. He told the Athenians that they would gain nothing by taking away the last few years of his life, but that he was willing to die many deaths for what he believed to be right. He made a powerful and dignified speech. उसने एक पूज्यपूर्ण भाषण दिया। He told the Athenians that they would gain nothing by taking away the last few years of his life. वो उसके जो जीवन के अंतिम क्षण है उसको लेने से उनको कोई फायदा नहीं होगा, but that he was willing to die many deaths for what he believed to be right. If he wants to many die, so for that willing to die many deaths for what he believed that was right and true, जो सही है और जो जिस पर विश्वास किया जा सकता है, उसके लिए वह कई बार मरने के लिए तैयार था। The judges listened to him, questioned him, and condemned him to death. The judges listened to God and give him death जज ने उनको सुना और उसको मृत्यु की सजा दी। द ओल्ड मैन मेड नो कंप्लेंट, द सुकरात मेड नो कंप्लेंट, ही लीन्ड ऑन हिज स्टिक लुकिंग राउंड एंड crowded courtroom. Socrates only saw the crowded courtroom. Plato and his other people were there in the court all the time. Plato and his other peoples in the court all the time. No evil can happen to a good man, he told them. Socrates told them that no evil can happen to a good man, either in life or after death. कोई भी बुराई एक अच्छे आदमी का कुछ नहीं कर सकती, चाहे वो मर जाए चाहे जिंदा रहे। सो बी ऑफ गुड चीयर, आई हैव टू गो, आई हैव टू गो, मुझे जाना पड़ेगा, आई हैव टू गो। द आवर ऑफ माई डिपार्चर हैज अराइव्ड एंड वी गो आवर वेज, आई टू डाई एंड यू टू लिव, एंड आई डाई एंड आई टू डाई एंड यू टू लिव, तुम लोगों को रहना है, मुझे जाना है। Then the soldiers came and took him away to prison. His wife followed with his 3 children. Many of his favorite people were also with him. Then the soldiers came and took the Socrates in prison. His wife followed him with her 3 children. Many of his favorite people were also with him. Many favorite teachers were also with him. For a long time they talked to him and he taught them many wise lessons which they treasured in their hearts. And he taught many wise lessons which he treasured in their hearts. But all the time his friends knew that Socrates would die soon. But all the time his people thought that Socrates died soon. They were sad, for as Plato wrote, he was like a father of whom we were being bereaved, and we were about to pass the rest of our lives as orphans. And we have passed our rest life as orphans. After the sun had set behind the treetops, the jailer came in and asked Socrates to prepare for death. And at last, judge came to the Socrates and he asked Socrates to prepare for death. In Athens, when people were condemned to die, they were given a cup of poison. In Athens, when people were condemned to die, they were given a cup of poison. Socrates knew this and he nodded to the jailer, who looked at him sadly, saying, "You Socrates, whom I know to be the noblest and gentlest and best of all who ever came to this place." Jailer said that, "I know you are the noblest and gentlest and best of all who ever came here, and whoever came here will not be angry with me when I ask you to drink the poison for others, and not I are the guilty cause. I am not guilty cause if I ask you to drink the poison." Bursting into tears, he went out and returned with a cup of poison. Bursting tears in his eyes, he went and he come with a cup of poison.